So, simple circuit, we've got pin 8 going to the LED through a 220 resistor to ground. We've got pin 12 going through the button back to ground. That is our toggle circuit. As you can see, on and off. And then if you hold it, it does the blinking according to a delay. Super cool. Ooh. And then what we have here is the really basic code. You start with the pins, got to do that, set them to the right output input. Initiate the toggle, 1 or 0. And then we do, if it's 0, which means it's pressed, then toggle equals not toggle, so switch between 0 and 1. It'll also tell us that it toggled it. And then down here we have digital write, LED. We're gonna write it the toggle because the toggle is either gonna be 1 or 0, so it saves me an if else statement. And then delay 350. And then it's going to print out what the button is reading, so it should be 1. I press it, 0, and as you can see, as long as I'm pressing it, it's gonna toggle it back and forth. So you can see. Now, if we want to have it not blink, but instead be a true toggle, very simple. You only have to add 2 lines of code and a little and statement. So we add this old value, right? Just 0, 0, 1. We say if the digital button equals 0 and the button does not equal the old value, then it'll toggle. And the old value is just the old button before it reads it. So old is just the previous value. It checks to make sure that it's not, the button isn't on the previous value, make sure it isn't being held before it toggles it. So now when we press and hold it, or when I upload it, press and hold, it just toggles it. And we can see the same thing up here. Press the button once, toggles. Press it again, it toggles. You can see that 0. And then when I hold it, you can see the 0 held with the 1 toggle. Again, you let go, it goes back to 1. Press and hold. It toggles it, but doesn't blink.